Okay, so the next stretch we're going to be doing here is a stretch for the front part of the hip. It's really for the front part of the hip capsule as well as it is for the muscles deep inside the abdomen. So with this, it's quite easy to use a pillow. It makes it a little bit more comfortable, particularly on the knee that you're kneeling on. So if you position the knee pad and bring your knee so that it's in the middle of the knee pad, we're going to almost bring the leg out in front. So the front leg should have a 90-degree angle at the knee and a 90-degree angle at the hip joint to start with. Okay, and then from there, all we're going to be essentially doing is almost leaning forwards onto the front leg, and those angles will be lost at this point, but just so you can feel the stretch through the front part of the hip joint. That's it, and then as you reach into it, what you'll also be able to feel is it traveling further down the front of the thigh. And as you hold it there, you can gently just draw the shoulders backwards and drive the hips forwards. So you then start to feel the stretch intensify across the front part of the hip. And with this back leg, all I want you to try and do is just try and relax it. Just try and let it go as heavy as you possibly can, almost as if it's just dragging behind you. Good, and then once you've hit that 30-second mark or up to a minute, however long you're deciding to stretch for, gently bring yourself back up and then change the legs over.